靠前一点，好啊。然后这是 LED 灯，还有3个档位的，1档、2档、3档，最高5.5瓦，流明。关灯。这是60瓦的逆向输出。快充来的。超级快充的，最高是支持60瓦的输出和输入，可以了。
Features 1. Strong wind design with perfect dust removal effect. Wind speed up to 60 meters per second. 2. Easy and convenient to operate, which greatly improves your cleaning efficiency. 3. Low heat generating, high efficiency, and stable working performance. 4th, built-in 5 pieces, 4,000 mAh large capacity lithium batteries with long endurance. 5. Adopt Type-C interface, support 30-watt fast recharging protocol, energy saving and cost saving. 6. It is a versatile cleaning tool for home, car, and office, suitable for carbon fire blowing, industrial dust blowing, soot blowing, keyboard cleaning, car and motorcycle cleaning, car center console cleaning, car crevice cleaning, foot mat, crumb cleaning, picnic garbage cleaning, etc.